My name is Osai Precious. We are from Asopada. My team's name is
Lady Margaret.
We are the activated lights. Introducing Sparklight to Nigeria. Sparklight is a mobile app that aims to solve the problem of electricity in Nigeria to help the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 7. Nigeria has been facing a significant challenge with electricity infrastructure with power outages being a common occurrence. This issue affects both the economic and the social development of the country, with a business suffering losses and individual having limited access to essential services. Sparklight is an app that offers a solution to these problems.
The problem of electricity. We are solving the problem of electricity. It is important to me and my community to solve the problem of electricity because money home supplies cannot be used without the use of electricity.
Although there are other applications similar to ours like buy power, bank apps and other apps, our app surpasses them because it links users with electricity companies directly. It gives users a channel to log in complaints. Philanthropists can also buy electricity for people who cannot afford to. Electricity companies can also subsidize light tariffs for underserved communities. The Sparklight app also educates users through the tips and articles on the app.
It is the best way to solve the problem of electricity because it allows you to have access to electrical channels in the comfort of your home and also allow you to request for electricity also in the comfort of your home without stress.
The Sparklight application is a mobile application which will be used by the individuals, government institutions and electrical companies. This application will be given to the users accessing to the location with their electrical problems and help electrical companies locate the area with the electrical problems easily. Through the map of the future, users will also have access to click on purpose use of electricity.
We intend to add more features to our app and also upload it to Google Play Store.